Welcome to TriStar. Today I'm going to show you how to change the emails that get sent automatically from the system. We have another video on how to change who receives the emails and how to change who is sending the emails if you are looking for those videos. In this video, we'll be focusing on the text in the email. For example, I have a court order here, and if I go to proof of delivery, we see that there is this checkbox that says send notification, and we can then choose who to send the email to. There are a couple different places where you can send an email, including status, such as right here. And there are other things like when you first enter the order and when you invoice the order. To change those templates, go to Maintain, Setup, Auto Email Templates. This is a list of all of the emails that get automatically sent from the system. In our example, we were using a court order and a proof of delivery, so I've selected that template. I can then click Update to see what our template is currently set as. And this window will have a number of different options for various information that you can put into the field. To see what this looks like in HTML, we will need to use a web browser. All of the emails in the system use this HTML code to print the different information that you put into the field. And we can see what this looks like by entering it into a web browser for HTML. So I'm going to open up Google here, and I'm going to just search HTML editor. The first option is what we generally like to use. It's from W3 Schools, and you can click HTML editor, and then you can scroll down and click Try It Yourself. This, all it does is convert HTML code into text over here on the right. So I'm going to delete what's in here. And I'm going to copy what's in my template and paste it here. Now, there's a few issues with this one. Once we click run, we can see it. There are no actual breaks in the line. Just because we've hit enter doesn't mean that you can actually break the line. And breaking the line is just going on to the next line. So we're going to type BR, which stands for line break. And this will make it so that each line, instead of being one continuous line of text, it will instead break into different parts. And let's say in some areas we want there to be 2 line breaks. Now when we click run, we can see that everything is spaced out. We have a number of different fields that we can use in HTML. There we go, such as the bold command. Generally, when you use text and there is a change to the text, such as bold, when you want the bold to stop, you have to do a slash and then the same command that you entered above. So for example, this makes it bold. We have an article which was probably sent to you with this video link that details all of the commands. And we suggest that you use this editor until you have it exactly how you want it to look. And then you can just copy the information from here and paste it into your new template. So now this template, which was before running on one line when we sent an email, will now look like this with bold, everything spaced out by a line because we added the BR command. And we can do whatever we want with this template. If we wanted to add different variables, like let's say we wanted to add the case number, we could go down here and double click it. I recommend double clicking the different items in here that you want to use, as the different variables change depending on which template you are looking at. For example, while this one is a proof of delivery, so it'll have a link to the proof of delivery, the order confirmation will probably not have the proof of delivery. If you want to have an image, such as your logo, go ahead and make a ticket and we can provide you the link to put into the template to have your logo populate. Also within this template are a few options. Attach PDF will go ahead and attach whatever PDF is generally generated when you run the template. For example, the proof of delivery template will generate a proof of delivery and attach it as a PDF. The order confirmation will attach a work order, which most people don't like to include, so they generally uncheck that box. There's also, we want to leave enable HTML enabled. We can also BCC user email. So for example, if you are sending this from your email in Winserve, you can check this box and it'll send you a copy of the email when you send it. You can also do attach model PDF. So in an order, there is print single model. In this case, we don't have any loaded because it's a test area, but you can check the attach model PDF and choose which model you want to attach with the template. And this will do the same basically as the attached PDF, but instead of being whatever's generated, you can go ahead and choose which model is attached. So I'm going to click OK when I do that. And generally you want to have a test work order with your email, and then you want to go ahead and send that email so you can see what it is that it looks like. So for example, I would go like this. And now it's going to send me the email and I can look at it. Unfortunately, since this is a test area, it won't actually send the email, but that is how you do it.